Settle into a comfortable position and allow yourself to be surrounded by peace. Close your eyes if you wish and take a deep, cleansing breath. Feel your chest rise and fall as you breathe in gratitude and exhale any tension. Let your mind become still as these words wash over you, planting seeds of thankfulness in your heart. With each affirmation, feel your appreciation expanding like ripples on water. I am deeply grateful for this present moment. My heart overflows with appreciation for all that I have. I notice the small joys that brighten my everyday life. Thankfulness flows through me with each breath I take. I acknowledge the abundance that already exists in my life. Gratitude transforms how I see the world around me. I am thankful for the lessons hidden within my challenges. My appreciation creates more to be appreciative for. I recognize the gifts present in my current circumstances. Thankfulness opens my eyes to overlooked blessings. I am grateful for the strength in my body. My heart recognizes the love that surrounds me. I appreciate the wisdom I have gained through experience. Thankfulness is my natural state of being. I notice and cherish the beauty in ordinary moments. My gratitude creates space for more goodness to enter. I thank my body for carrying me through each day. Appreciation for others deepens my connections. I am grateful for the food that nourishes me. My thankful heart attracts more reasons to be thankful. I appreciate the roof over my head and the comfort it provides. Gratitude turns what I have into enough. I thank the sun for warming my skin and lighting my path. My mind focuses on what's good in my world. I am grateful for the kindness strangers have shown me. Thankfulness helps me find light even in dark times. I appreciate the opportunity to grow with each new day. My grateful heart sees abundance everywhere. I thank the rain for nourishing the earth. Appreciation for my mistakes helps me learn from them. I am grateful for my ability to choose my reactions. Thankfulness for my breath reminds me I am alive. I appreciate the technology that connects me to loved ones. My gratitude practice strengthens my mental well-being. I thank my past self for decisions that benefit me now. Appreciation for simple pleasures enriches my days. I am grateful for clean water to drink and bathe in. Thankfulness for my senses allows me to experience life fully. I appreciate both the sunny days and the stormy ones. My heart is open to receiving and acknowledging goodness. I am grateful for the people who challenge me to grow. Thankfulness for my talents reminds me of my unique gifts. I appreciate the beauty of nature that surrounds me. My gratitude extends to those who came before me. I thank my heart for continuing to beat without my conscious effort. Appreciation for difficult times reveals their hidden purpose. I am grateful for the opportunity to make a difference. Thankfulness for my intuition guides me toward what's right. I appreciate the lessons taught by those who hurt me. My grateful perspective transforms ordinary into extraordinary. I am thankful for the air I breathe. Appreciation for my emotions helps me understand myself better. I feel gratitude for the memories that have shaped me. Thankfulness for my curiosity leads me to new discoveries. I appreciate having choices and opportunities. My heart fills with thanks for those who believe in me. I am grateful for moments of quiet and stillness. Thankfulness for my failures shows me where to improve. I appreciate the changing seasons and what each brings. My gratitude practice becomes stronger each day. I thank my mind for its endless creativity. Appreciation for music brings beauty to my ears. I am grateful for the dreams that motivate me. Thankfulness for modern medicine supports my well-being. I appreciate the teachers who have guided me. My grateful heart notices kindness in unexpected places. I am thankful for the ability to learn new skills. Appreciation for different perspectives broadens my understanding. I feel gratitude for the warmth of human connection. Thankfulness for my personal growth shows how far I've come. I appreciate the stars that remind me of infinite possibilities. My gratitude turns obstacles into stepping stones. I am thankful for second chances and new beginnings. Appreciation for my resilience carries me through hard times. I express gratitude for the gift of each new morning. Thankfulness for my achievements celebrates my efforts. I appreciate the silent support of those who care for me. My heart overflows with thanks for this beautiful life. As we come to the close of these affirmations, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Perhaps there's a warmth in your chest or a lightness in your shoulders. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you throughout your day. Remember that thankfulness is not just a practice, but a way of seeing the world. With each grateful thought, you create a brighter reality for yourself and those around you. Continue to breathe deeply, and when you're ready, gently return to your day with a thankful heart.